Hello everybody and welcome back to another server review. And last time, yesterday, something went wrong with the donators page because I had the map over the screen so you couldn't really see it. But this is it. You have this massive hole in the ground with beautiful sunlight there. And yeah, so here you have all the different how do you call them? You have all the different kingdoms. That's right. And yeah, that is a donator's room. That's one of the many features you get when you donate. So let me, since this is going to be the plugin video, I am going to open my. There we go. Let's see. So let's go over the plugin. First of all, we have Bycraft. Okay, I'm vanished. We have Bycraft that allows us to add packages. Let me just do select by. So here you have the different packages. So here you have Change Kingdom, Donate, and Make a Kingdom. But that needs to be changed for the new kingdom, for the new server, because you can't really make a kingdom anymore. Let's see. Then we have Chat Clear. That pretty much does this. It just adds a bunch of enters and chat haven't been cleared. That is pretty much chat clear. Then we have Core Protect, so that's /COI. Just CO. Let me just go to the blocks I placed. So just CO is all the different stuff, and if I do COI, I can see exactly who placed or destroyed or whatever did with that block. So there you go, Redstone Torch, I placed that. Let me go down here, let me see, because no, I placed that gravel, hold on. Still me. I think this has to do with World Edit actually. If I go to that one should be alright, if I'm correct. Let's see. Yeah, Ziklaus placed and removed, so I can see whoever did that. And I can also, with this plugin, I can roll back. So /CO rollback with a radius of 5 blocks, time of 70 hours. And there we go, I rolled it back. Since it's radius of 5, it only gives me 5 blocks and not those blocks because they are not in radius of 5. So that is the Core Protect plugin. Then we have the Creative Gates, which hasn't been added on this particular server yet. Some of them aren't on this server, as you can see, /PL. Those are the plugins we have currently on. But Creative Gates is, of course, you can create your custom gates and they can teleport to those custom things. Yeah. Then we have Dynamap, which I can show you here. Hold on a second. Add a screen region and then yeah, that's a little bit fucked up. No, I don't want. No, don't do this. Don't do this. Don't. Hold on. Let me just do. There we go. This is the Dynamap. If I just reload it really fast. Yeah, that's the Dynamap. And there you have a player walking. And there you have a player walking. So you can just see the live map. That is pretty much what that does. So let me delete that again. Make sure it doesn't cover up the screen again like last time. Then we have Essentials, Essentials Chat, Essentials Group Manager, Essentials Spawn. Pretty basic. We have the Health Bar plugin, which hasn't been added again. It just shows you the amount of health a mob or a player has. Pretty basic. Then we have LWC. We all know that, I think. It protects the chest, and you can protect houses and blocks and other things with that. Then we have M-Core, which is the plugin that allows us to use the the Creative Gate plugin. So that's pretty cool. We have the Mailbox plugin, which, let me just get a chest. I don't think is it added? No, it's not. But basically, you can like if that is a kingdom, and then there's a kingdom, and then here you have like this is my mailbox, right? And that is, for example, MC Swag's mailbox, you know. And then I can, for example, take a diamond sword, and I could do the command slash mailbox send to MC Swag. It doesn't work, of course, but then it sends, because this is my mailbox, it sends this item I have, the item you have on your hand, that's the item it will send to his mailbox. So that's pretty cool. It allows us to pretty much give it a more RP feeling, because we have a talking radius of 50 blocks. So if you're standing right here, only player in that 50 block radius can hear you talk. So you really have to use the mailbox plugin to, for example, write a book and quill, and then you know, send the book and quill with the message to your, for example, to another king if you want. So that is pretty cool in my opinion. Yeah, as I said, it gives us a little bit more RP feeling. Then we have the multiverse, which I'm gonna actually delete because I don't need it, because we have the little island for the spawn stuff. So that's, yeah, that won't be added actually. So then we have No Sheet Plus, which just allows us to see if someone griefs or not, or cheats, or does a wrong movement. For example, if you fly really fast and you're not an admin or anything, it will detect it and we can see it in our chat. That is No Cheat Plus. Then we have No Entity Grief. That is just so that if a creeper blows up, it won't affect the ground. What is it? Wait, and we should go into war with the others. Now that seems nice. Oh, which is the other? Human, the elven king he took the elf over. Okay, whatever. What was I talking about? Yeah, the No Entity Grief. It also is that a sheep won't affect the grass. It won't eat it anymore. It will grow his wool, but he won't, you know, make grass into dirt. So that's a cool one. And it also allows us endermans. They can't pick up blocks anymore, so they can't grief. No entity grief. That's, yeah. Then we have P tweaks, just to make the server run a little bit smoother. We have simple auto announcer, which you can see right here. Announcement: make sure to vote on PMC every day. That's one of the announcements. Then we have world edit and world guard. And yeah, those, yeah, I think you all know what that does. So that's pretty much all the plugins we're using at the moment, we were going to use. Yeah, I mean, nothing else to say really. So yeah, that is basically all the plugins we have. I can go over the classes now actually, because I have nothing else to do. Anyway, let's see. Oh crap, cancel. Okay, so we have the new group. That is the group you will join if you just join the server. The first time you join the server, you get into the new group, and then you of course spawn right there and go through all that things. Then you end up here. And we have a class for each kingdom. So we have Avenio, we have Trigent, we have Ivan, so we have Serenum, and we have Verumina. Then we have the Donator class. So the spawn of them is set in the where is it? The donating thing, right? I think I built it there. Yeah, there, it's right there. That's the spawn of the donators. Then we have Noble, which is pretty much, well, it's not really that different from a normal player, but it's just like, for example, if my real life friend comes on, and I can't give him admin, of course, because we don't really have an admin, except the kings. Kings are pretty much admins, but if he joins, I can't make him admin anymore, so I make him Noble, because Noble is pretty much just a moderator. So they're just, nobles are pretty much moderators. So they have the ban command, that kind of stuff, you know. So they can do a lot more than normal players. Hold on. Okay. Anyway, and then the last thing we have is the kings. And yeah, Kings is pretty obvious. Kings is just admin, except the Serenum King, because that is me. Serenum King is just owner. Serenum. There we go. So that's just owner. So that's why I gave it to me, because I'm the owner of the server. Blah blah blah. So yeah, that is the groups. That is pretty much all I have to talk about at the moment for this server. Hopefully when it goes up, which will be coming up, I think, hopefully next week, and yeah, hopefully as soon as possible, of course. And then this all will go live, and we're gonna have a party with some nice cake and some music, and I don't know, trolls, maybe. I don't know, I'll make a video about that. Anyway, so yeah, that's pretty much everything about the server at the moment. I don't think we're gonna add a lot of big plugins to the server then after these plugins, because well, there's not really much needed. I'm not going to add the MCMMO plugin. I know it's an RP, so it's originally an RPG server, but I mean RPG plugin. But the reason why I'm not gonna do that is because I always had the trouble, like, I didn't know how to use it. I know it's really simple, but you don't really pay attention to that. So people who are really used to that, and in combat they have such a big advantage if they just use their left click. So that's one of the reasons I'm not gonna add it to the server. So yeah, just so you know that, before people are going to ask if I want to add that. So that is pretty much everything for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and yes, I will see you all in the next video.